we sat in a Fiat 500 on a 54 plate. The fault on it is the engine management light is on. Okay, and you have our codes, misfire randoms stored. Okay, and it's had a spark plug, it had a misfire, they changed the spark plug. Okay, and this code keeps coming back, so I think we've got an ECU fault. Now allow me to demonstrate. If I go escape, erase codes. Okay, if I turn the ignition off, okay, we have our engine management light on. Okay, if I now go yes, okay, I shall want to continue, yes. Okay, codes have been successfully deleted. Okay, so if I go back into trouble codes, okay, system pass, no codes detected. Okay, right, we turn the ignition off, back on. Okay, start the car. Okay, engine management light is back on. Go to trouble codes. Okay, I've got a warning on the dash saying check engine. It's really annoying, the Fiat 500, because it disconnects the supply to the scanner. It's really annoying. Okay, trouble codes back on. Okay, and we have exactly the same codes stored and they will not clear. So I think we have an ECU fault. Thank you for watching.